Problem 12. Does a catalyst increase reaction rate by the same means as rise in temperature does? Explain. Okay, so in this problem, we are asked of the catalyst. If we are going to plot the reaction potential energy versus the reaction progress, let's have that one. The potential energy, and then we have, okay, the reaction progress or reaction coordinate. Now, if we have an exothermic reaction, okay, so it reached to its Ts, and then we have, okay, the product. So here we know that this one is the energy of activation, that is EA, particularly the forward, okay, forward reaction. Sorry. Okay. Now, what happened when there is a catalyst? Okay, if there's a catalyst, if there is a catalyst, look what will happen. Same, we will start at the same energy and the starting material. But if we have a catalyst, then ended to the same product, and then look, when there is a catalyst, the energy of the forward activation energy decreases. So EA. So if there is a catalyst, the energy of activation decreases. Therefore, the reactant will proceed faster to form a product because the energy or the barrier is slower. So the catalyst proceeds or makes our reaction proceed faster. The reactant forms a new product faster if there is a catalyst. Whereas if there's no catalyst, look at the activation energy. It's very high. And when it's very high, the reactant needs to have enough energy to climb, okay, to surpass the barrier, to surpass the energy of activation. Whereas in if there's a catalyst, the reactant would proceed a little bit lower, depending on the strength of the catalyst. If it's very strong, then we can have a faster rate of reaction. Therefore, to answer this question, does a catalyst increase reaction rate by the same means as a rise in temperature does? Okay. So, to answer that one, no. A catalyst changes the mechanism of a reaction to one with lower activation energy. So it only changes the activation energy. And lower activation energy means a faster reaction. And also, an increase in temperature does not influence the activation of energy. Okay, so it does not mean that if you increase the temperature, it lowers the activation energy. Activation energy. Only the catalyst can influence the activation of energy. An increase in temperature does not influence activation energy, but only increases the reaction of collisions. Okay? So if there's a higher temperature, so there's an increase of the fraction of collisions with sufficient energy equal or exceeded the activation energy. So if we increase the temperature, there is a higher or an increase of the fraction of collision and all with an energy that can equal or even can exceed the minimum energy or the activation energy.